Hello guys. Today we will be discussing about the values and variables topic in JavaScript. This is very important topic. If you don't understand this concept, it will be bit harder to understand the other concepts in JavaScript. So, try to understand the topic and watch the video as many times as you need to understand this concept. I will explain this with plenty of examples and real-world scenarios. I just need you to write down the concepts while you are watching this video. Stepping into the concept. What is meant by a variable? Well, variables are used to store the values. For example, imagine a bookshelf as a variable and books as values. Books are stored in the container, and whenever someone asks you about the book, you will refer the bookshelf to specify the object location, right? Similarly, to store the objects in JavaScript, we use values and variables. We assign the values to a variable, and variable help us to store in a certain place of a memory location. Okay, here is an encoding example for you. Let's take a variable with an initialized value. Here, the variable is named as message and value is hi. Now the value is initialized to a variable. So, now I can use the variable name message to console log the value. Now, I will log the variable into the console so that we can get the value in the console. And here it is as expected. In this way, we can console log the value by using the variable name. We need to remember that the variable can be used to log the value as many times as you need and the output remains same. Let's see if that happens or not. Okay, this will happen when you have the live server up and running. Let me refresh it. And here it is as we expected. In this way we can log the values as many times as we need. Okay, now, do you think will JavaScript accepts any kind of variable names that we give? The answer will be a no. The JavaScript has some limitations. The JavaScript will accept only numbers, letters, underscore, and finally the dollar symbol. So, let's give it a try. I will take a variable as first name. And Brainy as the value to the variable. And we didn't get any error in the console. So, the variable name is a valid variable name. So, now I will remove the first in the variable name and add a numerical number 1 and let's see. Oops! It raised an error. Why do you think we got an syntax error? I think I said we can also add numbers in the variable name. Right? Actually, yes. We can also add numbers in the variable name but not in the front of the variable name. So, now I will remove the numerical number in the number and add it randomly in the variable name. So, it shouldn't raise any error. See? It didn't raise any errors. Similarly, we can add the dollar symbol and underscore. But this symbols doesn't have any limitations, these can be added at any place you require. And there is one important thing you need to remember. We cannot use the reserved keywords like new, console, or the function as the variable names. Because these are used for some operations in the JavaScript, which may cause the confusion to the JavaScript interpreter. Okay, so let's do a quick recap regarding today's topic. Number 1. Values are the piece of data that we need to use in the code. Number 2. Variables are the placeholders for the values in the memory. Number 3. We can use the variables to console log the values as many times as we require. Number 4. Variables cannot start with the numbers, but the numerical numbers can be placed in the variable. Number 5. We cannot use the reserved keywords as the variable names like new, function, console, etc. I appreciate you for watching the video till the end. Appreciate me back with a like and subscribe. Don't forget to join on the WhatsApp group and follow us on Instagram.